We appeal to the international community to help our people, Somalis who suffered, because this weekend, yesterday, we were investigating the people, asking the people, and they had a lot of problems with those people when they were present in these areas, starting from Bulugudu to Consuma. Even they were looting the properties of the people, of the local people, the indigenous people of the region. We are not hesitating to talk to anybody, whatever I did, whatever, every person willing to bring peace and stability in Somalia. We are welcoming them, and we would like to, but we don't allow, we don't in a position, we're not in a position to make a challenge of having a part of our areas. But we are ready to negotiate and solve our problems as a general through negotiate, through the reconciliation, whatever is local or national level. Yes.